One thing that I'm very proud about in this course is that you have multiple custom designed targets for you to attack and hack. And this is quite unique to this course because no other online course will offer you that many targets to play around with. And especially not custom-made targets that re-emphasize the points that you have been studying so far. Your next mission is to hack one of these custom-built targets. Now here's what I love about this target. It's the fact that I did not design it or create it for you. As a matter of fact, it was created by one of our brightest students on Hackers Academy. His name is Steven Elmiger. And Steven, apologies if I'm mispronouncing your name. Steven has been doing an amazing job on Hackers Academy, supporting the students, finishing the courses in record time, helping us test out things, and he volunteered to create this VM especially for you guys. And he did it in such a way that it will help you review some of the main points that we have been talking about so far with a small twist. It's a very fun twist, as a matter of fact. I personally had a lot of fun hacking this VM, and I'm sure you guys will have the same fun as well. So please enjoy the target. As always, your mission is to get root access to this VM. And if you find yourself on the forums of hackersacademy.com, make sure you find Steven and ping him with a thank you. And here's a big thank you as well from me, Steven, for creating this VM. And for anybody else, all the students that have been taking this course, if at any point in time you decide that you want to create a fun target for us to experiment with and share with your students, would be more than happy to host your target VM and let students play around a little bit with it. Alright, enjoy your mission, and when you're done, let's move on to the next section.